Making your first $1 million is to start with a strong foundation. This means that you need to have a solid plan in place, which includes a budget, a timeline, and a goal. You should also have a clear understanding of your strengths and weaknesses, as well as the skills and experience that you bring to the table. Invest in yourself. This means that you need to take the time and effort to learn new skills and gain new experiences that will help you achieve your goal. You should also focus on building your network and relationships with others who can help you along the way. Find a profitable niche. This means that you need to identify a gap in the market and fill it with a product or service that people are willing to pay for. You need to create a business plan. This includes outlining your goals, defining your target market, and developing a marketing strategy. You should also consider resources that you will need to get started, including funding, equipment, and personnel. All focus on customer satisfaction. This means that you need to go above and beyond, meet the needs and expectations of your customers. You should also focus on building a loyal customer base that will help you grow your business over time. Use technology to your advantage. This means that you need to leverage the power of the internet and social media to reach a wider audience and build your brand. You should also consider using automation tools to streamline your operations and improve your efficiency. It's important to focus on long-term success, and this means that you need to think beyond just making your first $1 million and focus on building a sustainable and profitable business that can stand the test of time. You should also focus on building a strong team and culture that will support your growth and success over the long term. Sometimes, even the best plans and strategies, things don't go according to plan. That's why it's important to be willing to pivot and make changes as needed. This may involve adjusting your product or service, changing your target market, or exploring new opportunities. By being flexible and adaptable, you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow and succeed. As an entrepreneur, you will inevitably face failures and setbacks along the way. It's important to embrace these failures and learn from them rather than allowing them to discourage you. Take the time to analyze what went wrong and what you could do differently in the future. Use failures as a learning opportunity to improve your business and yourself. As you grow your business, it's important to stay true to your values. Don't compromise on your principles or ethics for short-term gains. Build a brand that aligns with your values and you to attract customers and employees who share your beliefs. It's important to remember to enjoy the journey. Building a successful business takes time and effort, but it's also an incredibly rewarding experience. Celebrate your wins. Take time to appreciate your hard work and enjoy the journey as you work towards your financial goals. Making your first $1 million requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to your vision. Remember to stay true to your values. Embrace failures as opportunities to learn and give back to your community. And most importantly, enjoy the journey as you work towards building a successful and fulfilling life.